We are installing an in-ground fiberglass pool with a salt chlorinator. We need to install a bonding and an anode. CMP has a product called the Pool Defender that we plan to install, but are just trying to make sure we do it correctly. It looks like it's an inline sacrificial zinc anode with a bonding wire coming out of it.
Okay.
It says to install it between the heater and the filter, so just trying to make sure how the plumbing works. Does the water stay in the lines constantly, even when the equipment is not running? This product requires 24/7 water contact.
Yes. So by design, as long as you don't have a leak in your system, when you shut the pump off, all of the plumbing should stay fully charged with water. And the idea behind that sacrificial anode and then the bond wire is that because there's salt in the water becomes more susceptible to electrical current. Straight up water does not conduct electricity. Water with salt in it conducts electricity. Any trace voltages in the ground leaching from speaker wires to anything you might have in the area, to the system itself, the electrical grid itself is always leaching electrical into the ground. That's attracted to the water into the pool. The sacrificial anode takes the electricity, destroys it, and in the process destroys itself, and it draws it to ground. So as long as it's in that system, in that column of water, and that bond wire is attached to your bond wire which goes to ground, you'll be fine. And to answer the second part of that question is yes, when the system is off, that should still be a solid column of water throughout all of your plumbing, and therefore it should be bonded.